Okay, so we go to the insert. We have the add in this add style. Oh, okay, so by clicking portal, we have ArcGIS online, and you can search geological geology underscore 24. Okay, so if you click it, so it will be visible to, and you click, you will, okay, so it will be update your symbology. Now go to your uh, zoom tool here. This is our, and go to your symbology. I go to my, it is the, okay, so this one. So we have for example, uh, we have like unique values, so it will be give the all the values of the data. And for example, if I add the data, okay, so if I go to my, for example, the depth direction data, so they give me the depth direction data. If I show you where is the depth direction data, so for example, I am interesting to show the depth angle direction, so you can click easily by depth angle, so it can show easily depth angle direction. And now we will be change the symbology. So symbology, step by step, you can click it. And okay, so file, so wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. If again, I think I will be again at this time geological 24 score 24. Okay, just wait a minute if they loaded this earlier. Okay, just wait a minute, I do something. So by clicking this, you can easily say it loaded the geological 24K. So I use like this kind of symbol. And okay, and my property will be like 30 will be okay, and apply. So okay, so if you go to this 50, so you can also go to gallery incline. If you select the line, so it will be show the thrust and normal faulting. If you show the polygon, so it will be show the sandstone, limestone, different kinds of layers. So you can pick the correct version, so it will be show the correct version of the structure symbols. And the last is 20, the 70. Go to gallery and the incline, and go to property 30. So you can also change your style easy, so is your wish. So okay, so it will be visible this everything. So now firstly I go to save it. So this you can see all other value. If you remove it, it easily remove. Go to property, no, so you can go to your like symbology, go to your symbology, and by clicking this, remove it, so it will be remove it easily. Okay, and now we will for example, this rock is dipping in this direction, by for example, if I select this one, so giving the angle 90. So okay, so okay, so they will show this kind of, but I want to give this kind of depth angle, depth direction. So you can easily see from this area, you can go to like 180. Okay, no, 180 will be like if I go to 25. Now it's better, so it will be like this kind of movement will be easy. Okay, and just wait a minute, too much heavy. And the cross it, if I, this will be okay, but this will be like little bit change. So if I go to my 135, so this will change. So I want to go to 90. No, I want to go to 270. So it will be like this, but I want little bit rotate. Okay, so it will be also good. File, okay. So you can see that you can rotate the angle and suitable your work. So in order to go to your properties and go to your visibility, for example, I want to, in this area I want to 1 to the 1:10, so it will be automatically adjust the visibility of this area. You can see it. Okay, and the last one is the label. So you can easily label it by going to feature, label, label, and go to, like, I want to depth angle. So it will be easily go to this depth angle. If you want to change the uh, appearance means the text. So text, if I go to like times in Roman and 10 is okay, and change this everything like the color of the text, so you can change it. And you can also go to position, you can also go to rotation of this text, and okay, so you, if you go to this, if you go to this, you can change the label type, text symbol, and label placement. So by label placement you can change the label placement orientation, for example, which kind of rotation you place. For example, if I need for example, if I take 90°, so it will be like 90°, it will be rotated of the. So if I go to 0, so it will be show the 0° of the rotation. So by giving the depth angle, and now change the 135, so you can easily see it, the change of the uh, symbol of the depth direction by clicking this. You can also, if I click this one, so it will be a little bit okay. So the ratio is the 1:. Now you can okay easily see. So this is the different kind of setting. You can easily, the best position is this. So if you want to change other position, it will be also available. So in this video you can easily see that how to put the data in table format, and then by clicking one click, so you can easily see it by how to rotate the symbology, how to rotate the this depth angle, and how to join the geological 24K symbol to the ArcGIS Pro. So I think this video you will be need some informative. So see you in next video.